So, hi my friends, my seniors, welcome back guys into this brand new video. So guys, this video is gonna be very special, interesting and beneficial video because guys, today I'm gonna reveal my practices that I do every day. Yes guys, you listen right. At my most of my videos, I tell about the tips and tricks, the many advice that are gonna help you to develop your speaking skills, confidence and fluency. But now, which are the practices that I do personally? Yes guys, in this video I am going to talk about it and I will tell you that how they help me and what is the right way to do them. Yes, and I want to tell the practices that I do every day. They help me a lot to develop my speaking skills, confidence, my fluency. And guys, as you can see, now I am at the Nishchinpur railway station. It is the railway station and now it is not completed, it is incomplete, so that's why it is also very peace. So I am also making this video here. I am feeling very good and I always advise to everyone, speak the outdoor side. Means when you will speak at the outdoor side, then your confidence level will grow up and you can speak the English language in any sports without any hesitation, without any fear. So now guys, I will talk about everything A to Z. Don't skip any moment of the video because every practices they are very important and beneficial. So now guys, first of all, I am gonna talk about my speaking style, how I practice the English language. First of all, I want to tell everyone that my speaking style is not much different from everyone, and also I don't practice many new another different things. I always just practice by speaking the English language. Yes, as everyone knows that speaking is very important. If you want to develop your speaking skills, if you want to speak the English better, then of course you have to speak it, otherwise you are not gonna develop it. So I also follow it and just guys try to understand and try to believe in me. It will be very helpful for everyone who will speak the English language for 20 minutes also in a day, because when we wake up in the early in the morning, then if we just practice the English for some times, then it will be very beneficial for us. Many sentences that will run in our brain and we will explain them, we will speak them, and only the speaking is very interesting. Because just try to understand, if you want to learn a cycle, then what you have to do, you have to run the cycle, you have to ride the cycle. Otherwise it is not possible for someone by only thinking learning the cycle. If you want to learn, then of course you have to write it. So English is also like this. If you want to speak, then of course you have to speak it. Doesn't matter whom with you are speaking. If you have any friend, then just practice with them. Or if you don't have any friend, then just guys, just speak with yourself. You don't have to speak a number of things, but first of all try to write and make a preparation that what you are gonna speak today and tomorrow, and then after making the preparation, just speak the same thing. Okay, it will be very beneficial, but you have to just speak something. Without the speaking you can't learn, and that's why I always advise to everyone, speak. Now I am making video, but I want to tell this making video is one of my very beneficial practice, because whenever I speak, whenever I make a video, then I speak in the English, and this simple speaking in English are developed me a lot, because when I am speaking, then many sentences are going in my brain, and the speakings are gonna give me many and several benefits. Because when we will speak and when I will speak, then many sentences that will come in my brain, and then I am capturing all of them and I am telling to you. But there are also some sentences come in our brain that we can't capture them, that we can't translate them very instantly in the English language. It may be many mistakes, it may be grammatical mistake, it may be thinking mistakes, but whenever some sentence are gonna stop your speaking, when you will feel that, oh, I think that this sentence I am doing mistake, means when you are gonna confuse with a sentence, then just try to stop your speaking and then just try to write down the sentence, and then instantly you can find out what is the real meaning in English of the sentence. Because when we speak the English language, then at our speaking time we leave and we ignore a number of mistakes. But there is a very beautiful quote which I always advise to everyone, that remember, whenever you will do mistake, First of all, admit the mistake, learn from the mistake, and don't repeat the mistake. So learning part is very important. So now let's go to my next. Guys, there is a very big question in everyone's mind, that what we will speak. Now, as I advise to everyone, if you want to learn the English, then obviously you have to speak it. But at the beginning time, we don't have any stock words in our brain, much sentences that we will speak, much thinking. Then what we will speak at that moment, because speaking is very important. Then guys, don't worry, I have an advice for everyone, and this advice is storytelling. Yes, storytelling. I learned the English language with the help of the stories. I am not hesitating to tell this to everyone, because stories is a magic. And you will read a story, that you are gonna see, you are gonna observe, you are gonna realize uncountable benefits. Because when you will read a story, you are gonna develop your reading skill, and you will speak all of the words from the story very consciously. Then you are gonna store many words and many sentences in your brain, that you can use them easily while speaking with someone or doing any conversation. And when you will tell a story after reading the story in your own words, then you also are gonna develop the speaking. So it's a simple thing, just you need a story. First of all, if you are a beginner, then take small little story. There are many stories of the children books, class 1, class 2s, because English has no any age. And also there are many moral stories that I love personally. Take a simple moral story from the internet, or there is also nowadays in Agartala the book fair is it going, so from there you can buy a number of simple short stories books, and then just try to read all of them in the English language. Read everything one by one. What is the story? What is the meaning of the story? How many characters are there? What is the main point of the story? After reading them continuously many times, then just try to speak it. I mean, just try to explain the story. When you will explain, there is also a small thing I want to tell everyone. Just try to make your speaking video. Now I am making video, I also can't capture now that I am doing mistakes, but when I will recall the whole video, when I will revise the whole video, then I can capture my problems, my mistakes. So now it's a very important thing. Remember what my words, read a story, and after reading it, just try to explain it. So let's go to the next. So guys, now it is my favorite thing, my favorite practice I am gonna share with you, and it is the LSRW. Yes, LSRW is very important. If you are speaking, if you are reading only but not listening, but not writing, then also you are gonna learn the English 50%, because English is a very complicated language. Everything you have to practice, everything you have to know. So now I am going to talk about the LSRW. But first of all, try to understand what is the LSRW. LSRW means listening, speaking, reading and writing. The listening, speaking, reading, writing. So when a baby born, they also first listen. They learn their whole mother tongue by only listening to their parents, because at that first beginning they can't speak, they can't generate words that they will speak, and also they can't read anything, and the writing is very far from away. So just try to understand first the listen. So English is also like that. I have a question for everyone, that how you learn the Hindi language. Can anyone answer my question, that how you learn the Hindi language? How we learn Hindi? From our childhood, we are just listening the simple TV shows, it may be cartoons, it may be films in the Hindi language, and you will be amazed if I tell everyone that we just learn the whole Hindi language by only the listening, by the listening practice. So remember, just try to listen something. When you will get up in the morning, listen the same thing that you listen at the resting time, but it have to be in the English language. You can take my videos, I always make many short new and also short storytelling videos. And there is also a very important thing, you can listen the native speaker speeches, because listening is very important. After listening, you can speak also. You are gonna develop confidence. And then after speaking, as I tell you at the first beginning time, that without the speaking we can't learn anything. So just speak. And there is a very important advice for me to every beginner, and it is that don't start at the beginning time. the grammar rules. Just ignore the grammar rules at the beginning time. Now the question is how and why I am telling to everyone, because I want to tell that how the grammar rules help to us. Can you answer me? There are many rules we have to follow to learn the English language, and there are the grammar rules. But first of all time we have to speak. Without the speaking, the grammar rules are useless. If you have the stock words, if you have the stock sentence, and now you want to correct all of your mistake, then you need the grammar. Otherwise the grammar is only rules. So that's why I want to tell first, try to stock words. And how we will stock words? You are gonna stock words from the little small stories. After stocking the word, just read the grammar rules. It will be more helpful for you. And as I tell you that reading is very important. Reading only are gonna provide you many short words, many new sentences. And if you read many stories, then it will be very beneficial for you, because from something, by also reading something, you are gonna store many sentences, many words in your brain. And there are many books as are there which will help you to develop your speaking. So remember it and don't forget my words. And also for writing, I have some tips that if you want to develop your handwriting, writing is also same like the speaking. Just you have to do simple thing. You have to write the stories, write your question and answer. It will be very beneficial. And that is also a very important thing of writing. Can anyone like give me the answer that why our parents always advise us to write the words, to write the paragraphs, to write the question answer at the time of our exams? Because I want to tell everyone, when we write something that we are trying to memorize, then it memorize, and we also can memorize it more easily. So it was my thing, LSRW. Just try to practice them. Wake up in the morning, listen for some moment, and then after listening, try to speak. And also after speaking, take a small story, just try to read it, and writing is very simple. So now let's go to my last tip, means my last practice that I try to do every day, and it is one of my daily routine. So now guys, I want to tell you the last practice that I do every day, and I think now also I am doing this practice, and this practice is speaking practice at the outdoor side. I always give people advice that try to speak the English language at the outdoor side. But now the question is how we'll speak, because if we just try to speak the English at the outdoor side, people will think that we are mental, that look at the mental, he is just speaking. But guys, I want to tell everyone that there is a very important thing, very important code which we always have to follow, and it is the craziness. If you become crazy for a word, then it will be very faster. But if you are lazy for a word, then it will be more like lazy. Your work also will be lazy. So I want to sit here first of all, and I want to tell everyone that just try to speak at the outdoor side by making your own videos. Now I am making, and now I am practicing. So practicing is very important. People are doing their work, I am also doing their work. Or first of all, I know that it will gonna be a very like hesitation, very fear thing from number of people. But I will tell you, don't fear from the people, because there is a very big enemy which stops us, which is holding us back, and not let us to do success, and not let us to speak the English better, and it is only the people. So first of all, you have to cut out all of the things from your brain, that what people are saying. There are many people who are also watching me, they are doing their work, I am doing their work, and it is not any illegal. I am practicing, and I am sure that I am not doing any wrong thing. I am not hurting people. I am doing my own way. I am doing my own thing. So remember it, and just try to practice the English language. Just try to practice it with your friends. Just try to do some little conversation things. It will be very beneficial. And I think that I told everyone that how I practice the English language by the LSRW, by speaking, and also by making the videos. Making videos helps me a lot, because because when I just look at the camera, then I feel that the camera is not a phone or a camera, it is my real audience. I am speaking in front of 3K audience, means my subscriber. So guys, I hope that all of you like this video. Thank you for watching guys. Bye bye. I will meet you in the next video, and just remember my advices, that will help you a lot. And I am a little fish of a very big ocean. The ocean name is YouTube. So if you don't subscribe me, then I will be disappear. But if you subscribe me, then I am sure your speaking journey are gonna very shorter. You can speak English very easily. I always give advices, new things to practice. So guys, bye bye. I will meet you in the next video. Thank you for watching. To a great mind, nothing is little. Like this video, subscribe my channel, and hit the bell icon. Share this video with your friends who want to learn the English language, who want to practice the English language, and then just try to advise them that practice the LSRW, practice the speaking. Otherwise, the English is nothing. So, bye bye.